Uno ready? This Saturday, November 8, 2025, we're coming to you live on Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation. After the storm comes the rebuilding, and this week we're getting into picking up the pieces after Melissa. How are Jamaicans bouncing back? What's happening in our communities, our hospitals, and our hearts? Let's talk resilience, renewal, and that unstoppable Jamaican spirit that refuses to quit. So grab your coffee, log on, and link up Saturday at 10 a.m. sharp on Voices with Lady D. Click the link. Don't miss it. See you soon.